Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video. I don't know if it's just me, but I do kind of find it a bit weird of the fact that Umatsile doesn't want to be on those family trips, but yet yes she is calling Musa while he's on those family trips. Ay mama, he's busy with the other family. Ngithi wena you wanna be there, he's busy with the other family. Now I get it guys, ukuthi yes it's still her man and whatnot, but I'm just finding it a bit offish that the phone calls she's made have been phone calls when she's with Umakwela. So how would she feel if Musa is sitting with Umayeni or any other wife, and Yana she's calling Musa while she's with Umakwela? I don't get the point in that, you guys. Musa's out with the family, wait for him to come back, and then you can call him non-stop when he's away from being in the midst of children and family and doing family activities. I don't know guys, ntsheleni ukuthi yimi engiphazamayo or what, niyibona kanjani lento? But anyway, Umakwela called, not Umakwela, Umacele called Musa. Musa answers the phone. Umakwela is asking, umthintile yini Umakwela, like have you called Umakwela? I'm just like, didn't Umakwela say ukuthi hey mina anginaso isithembu, these are not my wives? So why is she even asking a question like that? I just kind of find it a bit weird. Now Umakwela did say guys last week ukuthi Musa didn't even tell her ukuthi kune family trip. She didn't even know ukuthi indoda yakhe my man umfana is there busy with the rest of the other family. So anyway, Musa answers and says ukuthi mina bengazi ukuthi ngingafona nihleli nonke. But you can see ukuthi that response pisses off Samke, because Samke in her diary session she says ukuthi uyithathe permission yokungifonela before. Like she's trying to say ukuthi Musa's making it seem as if he needs permission to speak to me, whereas he calls me any other time. I'm like, Mama, don't be surprised. And yet this is the same Musa that had the nerve to answer the phone when he was with you, when Umakwela was calling him, he answered the phone and he's like, busy, mama, phone. He switched off the phone like that before she could even respond. If he can do that to another wife, he's definitely gonna do the same to you. Musa looks like, guys, his communication skills, it doesn't look like he has great communication skills. I'm even asking myself, Umakwela, all along when her man is out and about, and where is she saying he is? If he hasn't called her, like where is she saying her man is? But I guess guys, when you're dating a man who belongs to 4 other wives, you get used to the fact that communication is not always going to be constant. So if they don't contact you, you just have to assume maybe he's busy with one wife or something like that. But though I don't know how she does it, because me not be so worried about a person or two lenje on phone not saying anything. I'm even questioning myself, did Samke try and call Musa and not reach him? And hence Umakwela is asking ukuthi have you called Samke? Ayibo Makwela, ungazingeni wena, ungazingeni. People are busy saying ayibo umamazala sekayazingena, asking the son-in-law if has he called ulokhuzana Umakwela. Anyway guys, let's wait till the full episode and see ukuthi how this is all going to play out. Because Samke, I feel like there's a lot of things that agitate her, but she tries and maintain she tries and make it seem as if it's not a big deal, but her facial expressions cannot lie to us, or at least to me. Anyway guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.